Greg's cutting down a big ass tree. Thinks it's gonna land in the river. Right there, right between there. Can't see him because he's probably there. The tree's about 80 feet high. Dead, so we're not killing anything. And he just told me to start taping, but I started taping a bit too early, so we better cut this tree down. Only got a bit of time left. Fuck. Where's my beer? Oh. Still giving her. Oh! Oh! Well, we don't have to cut it anymore! Fuck yeah! I think he's coming out of the bush. The fuck is he? Yo! That was crazy! Fuck are you? Where is he? I think he's coming.